In one of the previous videos, we discussed about the 3 rules every niche should satisfy. One of them was that the niche should be big enough to support a 50 to 100 page site. You do not want to be targeting very small niches, not something like cheap golf balls under $10. That would be too small. On the other hand, golf balls would be great to build a niche site around. In this video, we will see how to use Google AdWords Keyword Planner to generate niche ideas and see whether a niche can support a 50 to 100 page affiliate site. To access the Google AdWords Keyword Planner, you will need to log in to your Google account. I am now logged in. I need to select the first option. Now, let's check golf balls. Click on the tab labeled Keyword Ideas. We want to get to know whether we can build a 50-page site if we were to go with this. So scroll down and take a look at all of the different phrases listed here. We are not interested right now in the average monthly searches or the suggested bid. So do not pay much attention to these columns right now. We will look at them later. You just want to make sure you are targeting United States. Do not worry about any of the other options right now. We are only interested in all of the different phrases that are listed here. For any niche to satisfy the 50 to 100 page rule, you will need to see at least 50 or 100 distinct phrases or subtopics. Each of these distinct phrases must be very closely related to the main phrase we searched for. And each of these distinct phrases will become the focus keyword for a single page. So, if you want to build a 50-page site, you want to see at least 50 phrases listed here. 50 phrases that are very closely related with each other and are distinct. For this search, many of the phrases in this list here can become the focus keyword for a single page. Used golf balls, Titleist golf balls, Titleist Pro V1, best golf balls, Bridgestone golf balls, personalized golf balls, and so on. You want to note that the tool is giving you a list of more than 700 phrases, and virtually all of them are very closely related to the main topic, golf balls. So, if you were to go with this niche, you can easily build a 50 to 100 page affiliate site because there are so many very closely related phrases in this niche, and you can build a page for each of these topics. Now, let's check cheap golf balls under $10. The question we are looking to answer is whether you can build a 50-page site if you were to choose this as your niche. Take a look at the list of phrases being presented now. The very first phrase is gifts under $10. This is not closely related to cheap golf balls under $10. In fact, almost none of the 700 phrases in this list are related to cheap golf balls under $10. You really can't build a site around this. There simply are not enough closely related phrases to build a 50-page site around. You will be hard pressed to build even a 20-page site about cheap golf balls under $10. In addition, you can also use the keyword planner to generate awesome niche ideas. To do that, you need to type in a single word like supplies, accessories, best, and so on into the text box here and run a search. Let's try supplies. You now see phrases like artist supplies, calligraphy supplies, artist materials online, architect supplies, and so on. For each of these, you will be able to find products on Amazon that you can sell. For instance, if you do a search for calligraphy supplies on Amazon, you will see there are a lot of products being sold. Each of these is a potential niche you can build a site around. You of course will have to check whether these niches satisfy the 3 rules, but you can generate ideas this way for niches and then check whether each satisfies all of the rules. You would also want to note that not every one of the phrases in this list might be a potential niche idea for you to build a site around. You can't build a site around shop supplies or store supplies or supply stores or supplies store. So you will have to go through the list and pick the ones that seem appropriate. You can use the keyword planner to generate excellent niche ideas all day long. Just type in a single word, any word you can think of, and run a search. And examine each of the phrases in the list. You will see there is no limit to the number of ideas you can generate this way.